Another easy canvas art piece that you can do, just giving you some inspiration. All right, so I have a 2 pack of canvases from Five Below. I'm taking this one. All right, so my first mission was I was going to take this cork. It had been left open and it was a little rough, but I tried. I was going to take and I was going to do like an arched kind of artwork with this. So I had sketched out where I wanted the arches to go. They were going to be overlapping, they were going to be different sizes, and then I was going to paint them different colors, and then that was going to be the piece of artwork. So once I had sketched it out, I started putting the cork on. I should have stopped right there when I saw that it wasn't the consistency that I really needed it to be in order to do this. It was just a little too dry and puttish. So I still tried though. I tried to flatten it out, and then I made the grooves that I wanted the pieces to have. So I wanted the 3 arches to have different grooves, and then like I said, I was going to come in and I was going to paint them 3 different colors, and it was going to be nice and pretty, kind of a boho type look. So this is just, if you want to do this, you can. I'm just showing you how you can do it. You're just going to want to make sure that whatever you're using has a consistency, that you're able to lay this in a certain way so that it has a neat kind of look. If you're going for a rough look, you can go with this, but I didn't want it to have that rough of a look. So once it dried and I saw that I couldn't save it, I tried to add polka dots and everything to this. I saw that I couldn't save it. I just peeled it off and I found these paper scraps at the Dollar Tree. So now they have these packs and they come with all of these. And there's one for $1.25. You get all of those different ones, textures, all kind of things. So this was real easy to peel off. It did take some of the canvas with it, but that was okay because I was okay with a rough style look. So I just peeled that off, nice and simple. I did all 3 sections of that, and then I decided to pick which pieces of scrap I was going to use for this. But first, I painted the canvas black. I just did it with spray paint. You can see where the canvas did come off from the cork that was on there, but like I said, that was okay. I took and I played around with different scraps, and they were all cut kind of in the same size. Some were more squarish, but most of them were rectangle shaped. So I laid out the ones that I thought about the most, and then I'm just going to take and kind of place them. After I did this, I did realize that I should have did a Mod Podge method with this. So once I picked them, I should have laid down a layer of Mod Podge, put it down so that it's set nice and evenly. Um, but because it was a canvas, I didn't do that. I just, because I wanted it to kind of look like a texture too, but it's okay. It worked out how it worked out, and it gave me, just some ideas, and I'm hoping it gives you some inspiration. I took and hot glued all the pieces down, and then once that dried, I made a frame. I just took some pieces from Home Depot and made this frame real easy, real simple. I stained the frame, and this is how it came out. But you can imagine if I had did the Mod Podge, everything would lay nice and flat because I would have did a layer on the bottom and a layer on the top. But I do hope it gives you some inspiration to go out and create some of your own custom pieces.